Testing, testing, mic check, 1, 2, testing, testing. This is the Council of Comics.
Bro.
What's good, everybody? Welcome to the Council of Comics. We got another package. Alright, so I've been saving up a lot of the packages that I got off of eBay just so we could do a lot of unboxings. So this one came in a nice, lovely blue package. Very nice. Adds a little flair to it. So we're gonna split this open. I have no idea what book this is, but like I said, I ordered books. I know all the books that I ordered, but I don't know particularly which one this is. So we are going to see. Very nice packaging so far. I appreciate it. It's in a Gemini. We all love the Geminis. Let me see. Okay. We'll block it like that. See, I can't see it. I'm looking now. I see it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me get this tape off of here. We got. Oh no! I'm so excited. Be easy, Sam. Be easy. Don't F it up. Dino Riders #1. Get this package out of here. Dino Riders #1, y'all. And it is a newsstand. I saw this on eBay with the whole Jurassic Park thing that's going on right now. I wanted to have this in my collection, and it's in really good condition. No spine ticks. Dope. Let's open it up to see, make sure the rest of the book is good. Yeah. Let's say off-white a little on the pages. But all the pages is there. Make sure that middle staple is good. Yes. Yeah. So we're good. Back. Let's check the back. Back is in really good shape too. Give this a nice press, and this will be good to go. This is something I would send in to get a CGC. Dope. So Dino Riders #1 newsstand. Yeah. Yeah. Shout out to Madness. Yeah. Rogue Nation 845.
Bro.